Okay, number one, a fruit seller buys 1,456 apples and packs them equally into boxes of 56 each. He sells each box for $18. How much money does he collect if he sells all the apples? Alright, so I get set up with my frying pan to get an understanding. I know that I do have a total. The total that I have is apples to begin with. 1,456 total apples. What am I doing with those apples? I'm packing them equally into boxes of 56. So I'm imagining that that's a box and I'm putting 56. So my unit is broken into boxes. How many boxes do I have? They're equal. 56 in this box, 56 in this box, and that's going to continue a certain number of times. I'm not sure exactly. I put 2 boxes at the end because I'm not sure if I'm going to need there's going to be extra apples, or they're going to fit nicely into an even amount of boxes. So down at the end here, I'm going to put a question mark. I don't know how many boxes yet. Learning that dichotomous key further, I know that if I have a total, and the total is apples right now, and I have equal parts, those are boxes, okay, and I have apples per box as my POPU, as my part of the total per unit, my operation is division. I could use a calculator or practice my long division. We need to learn how to do both. And I estimate there 60 times 2 is 120, so I think it's going to be about 2 tens here. Do my long division. Bring down 6. 60 times 5 is 300. 60 times 6 is 360. I think I'm going to try 6. And it works out perfectly. So what does this number mean? I have to think about what this number means. That is the number of boxes. So I'm going to take away that question mark now. I'm going to put 26. I now know that there was no remaining, so it's going to be an even 26 boxes. And then what do I do with those boxes? Okay, so now I could take this down a little bit. I'm going to take that off. I figured out that was 1,456. But now I'm going to fix this into a double bar model with a double frying pan, because I still have 26 boxes, but I'm not thinking of them as a total number of apples now. I'm going to be thinking about them as those boxes as money. So inside this box, I'm not putting 56 apples anymore. Each box is now selling for $18. So 18, 18, 18, all the way down to box number 26. So now, I don't want to think about this as total apples anymore. I'm now going to think about this as total money for all the boxes. Now, I don't have a full total for the money, but I do have 2 parts that if I know my dichotomous key very well, I'll come back on that. I have, it's erasing, sorry. I have 18 26 times. So I don't have a total. That's going to show me that I'm going to do an algorithm of long multiplication. 26 times 18. $18, 26 boxes, shows me I'm going to do multiplication. Do that on the side. And I end up with $468 total. So my final answer, he earns $468 selling all apples. Final answer.